This isn't working out. I don't have gloves. Such a bad idea. Such a really, really bad idea. I promise I know how to do it. I'm more careful with other people. I promise.
Why are you doing that?
Because I don't have gloves.
Your hands are gonna be blue.
Yeah.
Well, come on, Jayla. Where are the gloves at?
I ran out. Can you press the record button on that? It's the red one on top. Say hi. The dye off. Volcano soap.
Volcano soap?
Yeah. So I got the dye off. Most of it. I'm fine with this. This is completely fine. This is normal for me. But I got the dye off with volcanic soap.
Volcano soap?
Yeah. It's like this bar of green soap. It's like gritty. Scrub that on my hands. And I used a brush to scrub it off too. Okay, now we're gonna go to all the other colors. I'll show you. I have, like a turquoise, like a more greenish turquoise color, and another I don't know how to explain it, but you can just look at it. And then I have like a royal blue, which I made with Poseidon. I don't know how to say that. And Aquamarine by Arctic Fox. This is Phantom Green, and I'm pretty sure it's Aquamarine too. And then I used Mermaid by Manic Panic for one color, and then Aquamarine on the top. That's me. So yeah, sorry the camera's like right in the freaking frame, but I didn't have anywhere to put it, so. So obviously this is gonna stain my hands again, but at least I know how to fix that. So I'm putting this over the purple dye because I did not want to bleach my hair again. It's faded as much as it can. The ends are really light. I figured that I was just gonna put this blue and green and stuff over it. And right now it's doing pretty good, so hopefully ends well. Go, oh my god, don't touch the dye!
What, you want attention?
You just want attention. You don't want my life. It's like people are just gonna be like, your hands are dyed green, but like I'm gonna be like,
Sorry, I had to pet a leprechaun.
gotta get used to this.
Why don't people just use hair dye to do tattoos, like temporary tattoos? The best.
That's true. I would use the brush, but I really don't have the patience for that. I'm filming this now because the amount of times I've dyed my hair in the past few years, I could be famous on YouTube. There's a bird nest in the chlamydia tree. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Why do I keep singing that? I'm gonna get flagged. My hands are blue. I'm gonna have to wash my hands again so it doesn't stain, so I'm gonna try. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? Sorry if I keep looking into the screen right here instead of right there, because I'm on my phone and I just like, it's a habit. It's a habit. So it's a little windy out, so I apologize for the audio, and also I'm filming on my phone right now because my camera died while I was dyeing my hair, and I figured since I was just doing the same thing over and over again, just putting more dye in my hair, I would just continue to just keep dyeing my hair. You guys got the gist of all the other footage of me putting dye in my hair. And so what I wanted to conclude with is that obviously showing my hair off and
how I got the dye off my hands. So, as you can see, it's still under my fingertips, but like you saw in the video, it was like my hands were covered in blackish blue hair dye. So what I did was I scrubbed my hands with this volcanic soap. No, I used this volcanic soap. It's like this green bar of soap that you can get from like any hardware store because it's mainly used for like getting grease off your hands. I used that, and I also used like a scrubby brush, and I just scrubbed my hands a few times, and that really helped with the majority of it. And this next thing, I would not recommend at home. It's just, I was so desperate that I sprayed this. Just don't listen to me. Please don't listen to me, but I sprayed bleach on my hands, and not hair bleach, not there's no safe bleach, but I sprayed this bleach. It's like mold and mildew spray, like I think it's called Tilex. I'm not saying that's what you guys are gonna look for, but I'm just like, it's not like straight bleach, but it's like not any type of bleach that you should be putting on your skin. And it helped a little bit, so like, you know,
And lastly, I would like to add in that obviously my hair was purple before this, and just wanted to show that it is possible to go from purple to turquoisey blue. I did not bleach my roots because I didn't want to. I'm trying to stay away from bleach for a while. And I just put black and turquoise over my roots to cover the brown. And lastly, here's some shots of my hair. I really love it. I'm really proud of it. Thank you guys for watching. I really can't stand out here anymore because the wind is really bothering me, but like and subscribe, and look at this. It's pretty.